the difference table for f of x equals x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7 for values of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and extend the table for calculation of f of 10. In this question, we have been provided with a polynomial and we have to evaluate the polynomial for the x values or input values 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and thus we can record the output values corresponding to these set of input values. After which, we have to depend on the difference table and find the value of f of 10. f of 10 denotes output value corresponding to input value x equals 10. Since input value x equals 10 is nearest to the last input value x equals 8, the process involved in calculation of value of f of 10 is extrapolation here. Since we are extrapolating output value for an input which is immediately after the last input value x equals 8, we can make use of backward interpolation formula here. First, let us find out outputs corresponding to the input values given. We have f of 0 equals 7 by just giving x equals 0 in f of x here. We have f of 2 equals 13 by giving x equals 2 here. F of 4 equals 43, f of 6 equals 145 and f of 8 equals 367. We have the difference table obtained as we will first record the input values and the corresponding output values. The first backward difference is obtained by taking difference between 13 and 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6, 43 minus 13 equals 30, 145 minus 43 equals 102 and so on. The second backward difference is obtained by taking difference between 30 minus 6 equals 24, 102 minus 30 equals 72, 222 minus 104 equals 120. The third backward difference is 72 minus 24 equals 48, 120 minus 72 equals 48. The fourth backward difference is 0 here, 48 minus 48 equals 0. Since we wish to find the value of f of 10, we will have f of a minus nh equals f of 10, that is a minus nh equals 10 where a equals 8 and h equals interval of differencing which equals 2. Difference between consecutive input values equals h equals 2. Since a equals 8, we have f of a equals 367, del f of a equals 222, del square f of a equals 120, del cube f of a equals 48, del raised to 4 f of a equals 0. By backward interpolation formula, we have f of a minus nh equals f of a minus n times del f of a plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial times del square f of a minus etc. To evaluate RHS, we have to find out n. We have a minus nh equals 10 where a equals 8 and h equals 2, from where we obtain 8 minus 2n equals 10 and thus we have n equals minus 1. We have identified the values of del f of a, del square f of a, del cube f of a and del raised to 4 f of a from the difference table. Thus we have by backward interpolation formula f of 10 equals 367 minus negative 1 into 222 plus negative 1 into negative 2 upon 2 into 120 minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 upon 6 multiplied to 48 which gives us 757. Thus we have f of 10 equals 757. We have used Newton's backward interpolation formula for extrapolation towards the end of the tabular data.